I'm just going to show you a little writing video for when you're practicing words that we put in the lesson plans each week. This is a way you can do it with your children, or you can play this video for them for this week for M and N. So I'm going to make some M and N words in our sound boxes. So these are called sound boxes. It's the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the end sound. So we're going to work on M first. So M, man, So what I'm going to do, let's see if I'm going to stretch out the word mat. So get your arm out, ready? At, mat. So making lowercase letters. Move over the mountain, move over the mountain. Ah. What letter is that? A. T. And then you put it all together and it says mat. Now, I'm going to make another M word. So, this is so cool. You can make your own M word too. You're going to erase the ending sound. So I still have my beginning sound, and I'm going to change it to a different consonant. So I'm going to change it to P. What my letter is that? Putsy, putsy, P. And now I'm going to stretch it out. App. Map. You made a whole new word, a whole new M word. Now it says map. So we can make another M word. We're going to change the P to a N. Down, up, and nose dive, N. Stretch it out. Man. It's a whole new word. You made another new word. And then, to do one more, I'm going to erase the N, not the beginning. I'm going to change it to D. What sound is that? What letter? D. First Daddy's face and Daddy is tall. You want to make sure you make a D, because if you make a B, that's a whole different word. And then you're going to stretch it out. Add. Mad. Now we're going to try and write a sentence. You're going to write, I am mad. We're going to kind of start talking about our 5-star writing rubric. And this is what you need for sentences. You need a capital letter. You need punctuation, which is a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. Finger space, neat handwriting, and make sure it makes sense. So, I'm going to plan my sentence first. I am mad. So, I need a capital letter. So, I need a capital letter. And then setting need finger space. Am. And I'm going to use finger space. Mad. I have the word right here. We already sounded it out. Add. Add. And then I'm going to use an exclamation mark for my punctuation, because I am mad. I'm expressing strongly how I feel. And then I'm going to read my sentence. I am mad. So you can practice the words that we put in the lesson plan. So if we did N words like nut or nip, you can change the vowel and the ending and keep the beginning the same. So, have fun writing, and make sure you're using lowercase letters and nice and neat handwriting. And this is the page in your learning binder with the sound boxes and the writing.